Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share something very useful, how to edit accounting reports. Many users and functional consultants think that the default reports in Odoo accounting like balance sheet, profit and loss cannot be changed or cannot be edited. But actually Odoo gives us the option to edit and customize those reports based on your business need and client requirement. In this video, I will explain step by step how you can edit this report and make them fit for your company requirements or client requirements. So let's begin our session. So first of all, active the developer mode. So I use this extension. Okay. So go to accounting, reporting, balance sheet. This is the balance sheet outlook. In the top, the current asset, liability, then equity. Okay, and here the filter options. So if you edit this balance sheet or others accounting reports, uh, whenever you active the developer mode, you see this type of button, or you can go to configuration, accounting reports. Okay, so balance sheet here. Your client want to add another line to showing the receivable and payable calculation, or they would like to see the liability above the asset. So how can we do that? So just click here and drop into top position. Now if you go to the balance sheet, and the liability part is in the top. Okay, so then if you want to add a new line or new calculation, how can you do that? Just add line. So use new line, just save and close. I see the calculation code. First you receivable code REC, I copy that, and bank and cash BA. Okay, so new line, just write here a line name, and the code is not mandatory. Add line, balance, expression must be balance, then select aggregate other formulas, and here you can write your calculation formula. Okay, I copy the receivable code, so paste it, dot balance plus I want to calculate receivable plus bank and cash, so rec dot balance and ba dot balance. Save and close, save and save it. Now reload here, you can see a new line with receivable plus bank and cash. Now if you want to the payable here, just go to the payables and copy this code. Okay, so go to new line section, and in the bank cash code I paste here the payable code. Okay, save and save. Now you can see the receivable plus payable. My receivable in the negative and my payables the positive, then the difference is shown here. So you can add line, you can change the hierarchy positions, groups, and if you change those filtering, how can you do that? So just go to the report option, then options. Here in the balance sheet you can see the specific date filtering, but in the other reporting you can see the date range filtering. So how you active the date range filtering for balance sheet? Just go to option and click date range. If you want to partner, so add partner. If you want analytic filtering, just click the analytic filtering and the filter is shown in the top. Okay, I save, and this is the default, and reload. See here, partners, you can search partner by search here, analytic, plans, analytic, then all journals, comparison, and date range. See here, date range. So here is the video, how can you edit those account reports. I see here just the balance sheet edit. You can edit all those reports in the default. Okay, so now it's your turn. Please try it yourself and explore the option. If you face any issue or have any query, just write them in the comment section and I will reply as soon as possible. Also, if you want me to cover any specific business scenario or a fixed topic in the next video, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning, stay motivated. Thank you.